All right, guys, I got to give you a little bit of background to this video. First of all, thank you for being here with us in Fremont. So Lance and I tried to make this video where we bought a skateboard with Bitcoin and we couldn't figure it out. We tried to get Bitcoin and we didn't know how to do it. So today I brought two Bitcoin professionals with me. We have
Teddy
and Lucio and Teddy, and they are trying to convince me that you can buy a skateboard with Bitcoin. I don't think you can, because I think you can buy a skateboard with money only.
Well, Bitcoin is money too.
Bitcoin is money too. You heard it here first. A dollar bill is like an actual physical thing, but there is no actual physical Bitcoin.
You know, like, yeah, okay, technically there's no real physical Bitcoin, right? But, you know, when you swipe your debit card or your credit card, right?
Yeah.
You don't see physical paper. It's not like paper comes out of the wire and then goes into another wire that belongs to somebody else. It doesn't work like that, right?
So it's all digital.
It's all digital already, right? Everybody's really operating off digital money right now. It's just that Bitcoin has its own secure network that can't be controlled by anybody. And that's how that operates.
So that was our idea, is to go to a skate shop and ask them, can we buy a skateboard here with Bitcoin?
If we go to the skate shop to buy the a skateboard with Bitcoin, they're gonna say, oh, you can't buy it with Bitcoin. But Bitcoin's technology.
Yes! So basically I was right the whole time, is what you're trying to say.
But because Bitcoin is so technologically advanced, than this world, and it was started by aliens.
You can turn
artificial intelligence again. Robots are killing us all, and they're paying with it with Bitcoin.
Maybe you can't buy stuff with Bitcoin right now, but you can use Bitcoin and turn it back into the dollar so you can buy stuff.
Yes.
What the heck?
Roll
roll me through this
all you would do
Bitcoin
is
situation.
You would go to this app called Coinbase.
Coinbase.
Okay.
So I get the app Coinbase, good.
Set up your profile, you link in your bank account.
Then I buy the Bitcoin, which is not a real thing.
You trade money for Bitcoin.
Okay, good.
And then now
this is kind of like buying Pokemon.
It's kind of like buying anything, yeah. Like Pokemon, yeah. Sure.
It's a little more expensive than Pokemon.
I don't think you can battle Bitcoin either. After you set up your Coinbase account, you're gonna get a debit card from Coinbase, which is called a shift card. And basically that shift card is holding the Bitcoin that you put in your account. Instantaneously, when you go to Starbucks, when you go to
So Starbucks takes
wherever,
Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's really a dollar bill transferred into Bitcoin, transferred back into a dollar bill, and then Starbucks is just getting the dollar bills.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow,
That's it.
there's a lot going on here.
A lot going on.
See if I have a dollar in my wallet.
Until Starbucks accepts cryptocurrencies, which they are working on it with another company right now.
So then it'll go straight from
There'll be
cryptocurrency, no dollar.
Eliminating the paper.
Ted, don't go there yet.
Okay, I won't
Don't go there. The world's not ready.
I didn't say that.
All right, so you got the card? All right, let's go to the skate
All right,
shop.
Let's go.
Yeah, we could skate in here all day. Zoomies! I haven't been in a mall for a long time. Feels kind of scary, a little nervous. Electronics, music, athletic wear. Zoomies, B. I love that Zoomies is athletic wear. Okay, so on the map it made it look like it was like 300 meters away. See how I'm going international? And then really it was only like 2 yards away. See how we're bilingual? It's next to the Hot Topic. You'll pick out a new outfit and I'll get the skateboard. You can rent us for a party. Well, my wife's birthday party is coming up. Buying a skateboard with Bitcoin. So we came to Zoomies because we knew that they had like very expert help and just the customer service and support and the whole like just knowledge of skateboarding goods would be much higher. So we wanted to see if they would accept Bitcoin. So I was like, there's no way to buy a skateboard with Bitcoin, and I was trying to prove this whole system wrong. And these guys were like, no, Aaron, you're an idiot. Hey, what up? You all right?
Yeah, I watched you.
Hey, thanks. If I could try these on, that'd be great. Yeah. Should we see if they have the flight deck? That's kind of what I wanted to get. Oh, what in the world?
It's like a full green. We can green screen that.
Yeah, how much is this?
$79.
I think that's exactly how much we have.
You really want that one? I can see.
Don't we kind of want to do this?
Yeah, the invisible skateboard.
See, I want to teach my dog how to skateboard, and I think he needs something like this.
Yeah, you do. That is pretty sick.
Dude, it's sick. What up, dude?
Dude, that's so crazy. I never, that's crazy.
I mean, I think this is what we do. Let's go. Green screen skateboard, dude. Doesn't get sicker than that.
I'll ring it for this though.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Pay with Bitcoin.
Can you tell me
Bitcoin?
what that means? I don't think we take Bitcoin.
You don't take
You
Bitcoin?
do take Bitcoin, you just don't know it yet. So let's go through the whole process, and I promise you it's going to work out.
Okay.
We have a bet.
Okay.
So we have 0.1262420 Bitcoin.
0.01262420 Bitcoin.
Boom, boom, and that's equivalent to $82.
$82. How much is this going to be?
$79.95.
Oh, plus
might
tax.
Plus tax.
Oh no. What?
$87.75.
All right, cool. We're going to pay $82 of it in
Bam.
Bitcoin.
So apparently, according to them, this is Bitcoin.
You're going to see it go to zero after
soon as
he
he
spends
spends
the money. Watch.
Huh.
Or
Okay.
it might not work. Bitcoin could crash right now, and then we can't
So do I
buy
just
the
put this
green
in here?
screen
Yeah. So just confirm it.
Crash finish.
Transaction in process. Oh no, we have to enter a PIN?
Oh,
All right,
yes.
show everyone your pin.
Weep, weep, weep. So it is in progress.
I think it's
There you
skated,
go.
bro.
Oh, we got ka-chinged.
So
Unable to process request.
Oh.
Here's decline.
I knew it.
Just do $80 instead of the $82.
Work for us.
That noise though, it was like bling bling. I have the PIN.
Whoa! It worked. It worked.
Approved.
Yep.
Oh, look.
Please remove their card.
$235.
$235.
$80.
The heck? We've now made history here. Wow. Let's give that a hand. Just kidding. Thanks, you guys rock.
Yeah, and on Monday everything is gonna be.
All right, guys. Well, we did successfully purchase a skateboard at Zoomies with Bitcoin. So yeah, I don't know. Is this like an educational video? Is there anything else we need to tell them about Bitcoin or why it's?
Buy as much Bitcoin as you can now while you're young.
Most people
You know,
do
you'll buy
this
a
as an
Lambo.
investment, and I'm not telling you to do it or not do it. You do whatever you want, but just I think that's what most people are doing right now.
Right now, until the price settles on a real price where everybody says, okay, one Bitcoin is worth this much. People are going to use it as an investment.
People are buying it, then it goes up in price, and then they cash out, and they make more money than they put in. It's
And then they buy back in when it comes back down and stuff.
yeah.
Because one Bitcoin is $6,700 right now. 6,700 paper dollars
Wow.
gets you one Bitcoin.
So this skateboard actually cost us $12,000. But it's okay, because we were the first people to purchase in this mall with Bitcoin. They were stoked, and we were stoked. Well, thanks a lot for coming out and teaching us about Bitcoin.
Yes.
Boom. Shakalaka. You do films, right?
I do film and photography, yep. He's got a crypto channel on Instagram too.
Both of these guys' links will be in the description below. You guys can check them out. They got stuff going on, all kinds of stuff down there. Obviously, look forward to a video that we will be making with this in the very near future. So thank you.
Thank
You
you.
guys are the absolute best. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. And remember, #notification squad, and we will pick a winner, send you a prize. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.